We're Rachel and Austin, and we're traveling the 50 states in our Winnebago Revel. We travel with our dog Olympia, who's living her best life. And today, we're checking out everything Baton Rouge has to offer. I'm sorry, there's no puppies allowed. We're not going to get into any Bama LSU fighting. We're just here because there's a tiger. He's right there. Hi, Mike. Good morning, sir. I honestly didn't realize he was just gonna be like right there.
He's just napping. He's just hanging out. It's a leisure Sunday, you know? His brunch buddies didn't call him. So he's just gonna sleep in. Here we are, we made it. Southern University, we are at the Red Stick statue.
Baton Rouge, meaning red stick. There were some native tribes that used to put a red stick along the river here. Mississippi, right there. And that designated their hunting land between Scottsbluff and here. The tallest capitol in the US. Gonna stop here for a quick grass inspection by Olympia. There is supposed to be an observation deck on the 27th floor, somewhere up here. Now we're gonna go check out the old Capitol, Riverfront Plaza, and grab some lunch. So the old Capitol looks like a castle. What's funny is we're just in Alabama at the USS Alabama and the USS Drum. They have the US Kidd here, one of the last destroyers from this era. What's on the menu today?
Cou-yon's barbecue. It's supposed to be Creole and Cajun.
Oh my god, it's like pure sugar.
I got a brownie. You can't ever go wrong with a brownie.
Oh my god.
Look how big the shrimp are.
The boat here is not free.
The destroyer, Rachel. The destroyer. It's not a boat.